Okay, we will continue with the same chapter. Give heading. I think in the previous class I showed how the motion of simple pendulum is simple harmonic and what is the time period. Same way, second heading we give now vertical oscillation of a spring. For this we can just draw the diagrams. Let us suppose there is a spring, some weight is hanging here M. That means mg is acting downward here, and you are making the spring to oscillate up and down this way, up and down like this. This oscillation will also be simple harmonic, we have to show. And we have to find the time period of oscillation. Okay. The force which we apply, you can write here force of elongation. We are extending the elongation, we are making the spring to go down by a displacement x here. This force of elongation F will be equal to minus kx. Force of elongation will be opposite to the displacement. Or we can write here restoring, just like a restoring force. Restoring force will be equal to the force of elongation. Force of elongation under bracket you write restoring. They will be equal. F is equal to minus kx. Where k is the spring constant. Force of elongation formula is kx. Then restoring force formula will be minus kx. The restoring force will be equal because elastic in nature, spring is elastic in nature. Restoring force will be same as the force of elongation within elastic limit. I think I taught you this one in the chapter elasticity. F is equal to kx. But that was the force of elongation, force of stretching. But the force of elongation is same as the restoring force, which is where k is spring constant. Now F is equal to, I like that Ma is equal to minus kx. Therefore, A value will become minus k by m into x. Therefore, A is proportional to minus x. Hence, the motion is simple harmonic. We like that. Hence, the motion is simple harmonic. Hence, the motion becomes simple harmonic. Once the motion is simple harmonic, we find time period. Hazy? Now check. Now, how is it now?
Little okay.
Ankit, maybe check Ankit, is the visibility okay?
Sir, we can manage.
Little bit blurry.
Little bit blur, huh? Okay, but it is visible, no? Yes. We write hence the motion is simple harmonic. Once the motion is simple harmonic, how do we find time period? We'll see this part. This part will behave as omega square. Right on. Therefore, omega square value is k by m. Omega value will come root of k by m. Omega formula will go 2 pi by t is equal to root of k by m. Therefore, time period value will come 2 pi square root m by k. This is the formula. This is the formula of period of oscillation of mass connected with a spring. This is the formula. So the formula is P is equal to 2 pi square root m by k. It depends upon the mass and it depends upon the spring constant of the spring. Okay, this is the formula. So this is how we prove any motion simple harmonic. You have to show A is proportional to minus x and then you find time period.
Sir,
Okay.
what is that
Now,
omega square equal to k by?
K by m, this value, K by m. Therefore, omega is equal to root K by m and omega formula we got 2 pi by t time period. Therefore, t value will come 2 pi square root m by k. Done? Okay. Say fast.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are doing next one, oscillation in a U-tube. Next heading we have third one, oscillation in a U-tube. Is the heading. For this we'll draw a diagram. We'll draw U-tube. U-shaped tube like this. This is not the U-tube size, okay? Like this. We have a U-shaped container, U-shaped. Here we are having some liquid. Some liquid is there. Like this. Liquid level will be the same in both the links. In both the sides, they are called links. In both the links, the liquid level will be the same. Okay, ready? All right.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are we doing? We are applying a force here F, and we decrease the level of the liquid. We'll be decreasing the. We are applying a force here and pushing the liquid down. When we push the liquid down, this liquid level will go up. This one is pushed down, suppose by a distance from here. This one is pushed down by x. And this will be rising up by the distance x and come here. Same distance it will rise. Okay. Then we write that this force when you release, the liquid will return back. And oscillation will keep on pushing, then the liquid level will go up and down like this. This force will give and release, give, release like that. So there will be oscillation there. And we have to show that oscillation is also simple harmonic. And we'll find the time period. Write down restoring force. Restoring force is equal to weight of the liquid. Weight of the liquid. Weight of the liquid. Okay. Now, weight of the liquid formula we have. Weight formula is what? M into G. So we write like mg. Mass is equal to like volume into density. Volume into density of the liquid, I write rho G. This volume I write area of cross section into the displacement. This is the liquid weight of this liquid only. So that A into X rho G. That here A rho G into X is the value of restoring force. Restoring force value we can add minus MA. Therefore, A value will become minus A rho G by M into X. M stands for mass of the liquid displaced. M stands for mass of the liquid displaced. Therefore, we write A is proportional to minus X. Hence, the motion is simple harmonic. Write down. Hence, motion is simple harmonic. Simple harmonic. Once the motion is simple harmonic, what do? We find time period. What is omega square value here? Can you tell me what is the value of omega square? Once the motion is simple harmonic, what do we do? Tell me. This part will be the value of omega square, this entire thing. Right now, therefore, omega square value is coming A rho G divided by M. Therefore, omega value will come root of this A rho G by M, or we write 2 pi by T is equal to this value A rho G by M. Therefore, time period value will come 2 pi square root M by A rho G. This is the formula. This is the formula of time period. Time period. Time period of
So what did you write there?
oscillating in U2. Where?
After A into rho G, what did you write?
Divided by M. Which side? Here or there?
Sir, not that one. Sir, A into rho G you wrote, no? Sir, V rho G after
Into
that
X,
A
into
into rho
X.
G.
This
Sir, I
one.
cannot understand this. Yes, sir, I cannot understand this.
Hello.
So it's hazy type, no?
Which part you are telling?
So that after that A into
Which
rho G,
one?
the line after A into rho G. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which side? Which? Here.
After that.
A
Yes,
rho
sir.
G X. A rho G X. A rho G into X. Okay. What is A? A is area of cross section. Rho is density. G is acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Now. Okay. Say fast.
So wait,
Here
sir.
we can have restoring force is equal to weight of the liquid displaced. Weight of the liquid displaced, we should write it. Yeah. Yes, anybody?
Sir, don't rub, please, the left one.
Okay. You complete it. And then let me know whether you completed or not. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Now give next heading. Oscillation of a floating object. Oscillation of a floating. Oscillation of a floating object. This is a motion way to show the oscillation of a floating object is also simple harmonic, and we will find its time period. Okay. For this, what we do, we take some object. We are taking an object which is floating here like this, which is floating on a liquid surface. We will be pressing the body down. Once you press it, the body will return back. Press, body returns back like this. This way, come up and down, up and down. Press it, it will go down. Release, it comes up. Press, it goes down. Release, it comes up like this. This motion also is simple harmonic. That we have to show. Or to show when we are depressing it like this, Another diagram, it is going down by this distance x by applying a force x. Once we release this force, the body returns back. This and restoring force will be equal to the upthrust. Why the body returns back? Due to upthrust. Write down here, restoring force is equal to upthrust. Restoring force will be writing minus ma this side. Upthrust formula is the weight of the liquid displaced. This is the weight of the liquid displaced. The weight of the liquid displaced will be writing right on here. Upthrust formula we got V rho G. Volume of the liquid displaced. Rho is the density and G is the acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Next line we write minus ma. Volume of the liquid displaced, that will be area cross section of this one into the displacement is x displaced and then write rho G. Make A the subject of formula. The formula will become now minus A rho G by M into x. Therefore, we write A is proportional to minus x. Hence, the motion is simple harmonic. Hence, we write that. Hence, the motion is simple harmonic. Motion becomes simple harmonic. Therefore, omega squared. What is the value of omega squared? We write the same value. A rho G by M. Therefore, omega value will become root of A rho G by M, which is 2 pi by T is equal to A rho G by M. Therefore, T is the subject, 2 pi M by A rho G. That is formula of time period is same in case of a U-tube liquid and in case of a floating liquid, same formula. Formula does not change. This small m is mass of the liquid displaced. What is A? A is the area of cross section of the solid which is floating, and rho is the density of the liquid, and G is acceleration due to gravity. So please copy. First we show the motion simple harmonic. Once we show the motion simple harmonic, after that we find time period. After that we will be finding the time period. Okay? Done.
So from where that x came over there, A rho G x.
Volume formula. Volume formula is area of cross section into the length.
Yes, sir.
Volume formula is area of cross section, area into the length.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Volume formula is area of cross section into the length. Okay. Now write one more situation is there. Okay, write a question tag. Okay, right? If the earth were a homogeneous sphere, please write question. If the earth were a homogeneous sphere, and a hole were bored, and a hole, HOLE, and a hole were bored, 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 and a hole were bored through its center, comma, show that a body when displaced into the hole, show that a body when displaced into the hole will execute SHM, time period, 84.6 minutes. 84.6 minutes. Okay, right under bracket, radius of Earth equal to 6400 kilometers. Radius of the Earth equal to 6400 kilometers. Okay. Ready? Okay, now see. Question says, we are taking Earth, which is a homogeneous sphere, and we are making holes. There is hole work gold, like this. You are assuming that there is a hole across the diameter reality. This is the center. We are putting something here in this hole or there. When you put something out here, no, then the body will execute SSM. This body which will put inside or will be moving to and fro like this. It will start moving to and fro. Why it will move to and fro? Because when the body is coming on due to gravity, it will fall down, again it will cross over, again this gravity will pull it towards the center. Force of gravity will be acting on the body towards the center all the time, towards the center. So here we will be writing restoring force. Restoring force is equal to force of gravity. Force of gravity. Suppose the body is somewhere here. The displacement of the body is x here. The body's displacement is x from the center. Then force of gravity formula is mg dash. The value of g at this point. The value of acceleration due to gravity at this point. Right, m as it is. G dash formula I have given you already in the chapter. What is the formula of gravitation? I told you. What is the value of acceleration due to gravity with the depth? Inside the depth, what is the formula? Do you remember the formula? Any one of you? The formula goes as a G dash value will become G bracket 1 minus h by r. We write this. Do you have this formula? I'm sure yes. That's Ng, take LCM R, here it will become R minus H. We write here Ng, R minus H. What is H actually? H is this depth. This H is out here. And the total is R. From here to this radius is R. R is the value of radius. R minus H will give the value of H. R minus H gives the value of H. So write here H by R. And restoring force formula, this I will write minus M. M and M cancel. You get minus A value is getting like G by R into X. Therefore, A is proportional to minus X. And therefore, the body executes, the body in the whole executes SHM. Now the body is executing SHM, that we prove. Now we have to find time period. What is the value of omega square, G by R? Write down omega square value is coming G by R. Omega value will become root G by R. 2 pi by T is equal to root G by R. Therefore, time period value is coming 2 pi square root of R by G. Now you put the value and find the answer. Radius of the earth is 6400. Into 1000 we do, divide by 10. Calculate, your answer will come just now in seconds. When you divide by 60, your answer will come in minutes. And I'm sure your answer will come 84.6 minutes. That is 1 hour, 14.6 minutes. That is answer. 1 hour, 24.6 minutes, 24 points. That will be proved.
So cannot see anything.
Okay.
Sir, it's too much blur.
Very blurry.
It's blurred.
Yes, sir.
Is it blurred to everyone or only to this one? Uppal. Ankit, is it blurred for everyone? For you also?
Yes, sir.
Is it blurred to you? Huh? Yes?
Yes, sir. It is blurred.
Or what is wrong? Something wrong with the network. Once. Now? How is it now?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Okay. This copy will did you understand?
So over there, where that H went?
Huh? R minus
Sir,
H.
H
R
was-
minus H. R minus H will make H. Huh?
Okay, sir.
R minus H is making X, the value of X. The displacement will take from the center, no, from the center, from the mean position. Okay. So that means if a body is dropped into the hole, the body will be moving to and fro, will not come up through the other side. It will return back again. Again will come and return back. The motion will become simple harmonic. There was a question once in IIT. There were two monkeys. One monkey was there, another monkey was there. One monkey drops a ball through this hole. Okay. And the other monkey is trying to catch it. Do you think the ball will come out through the other hole? Will the ball be coming out through the other hole? Answer is no, it will return back. Because mean position, no, the body will be again pulled back towards the mean position. Oscillation will take place, up and down, up and down. That means the body will never come out through the other hole. Rather, the body will start oscillating between these two holes.
Sir, can you
Because the
take the
motion
last
is
line?
to and fro motion.
Last,
What is last line?
last
This
line.
one.
Sir, no, sir. Right. Sir, T equal
This
to 2
side.
pi. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Put the value of R. No, R value is already given 6400 kilometers. 6400 into 1000. And the value of D is 10. Then we can do calculation here and answer will come 84.6 minutes. Answer will be 84.6 minutes. Okay. Now theory part of this chapter is over. Okay. Tomorrow we'll be doing numericals. We'll do numericals tomorrow on this chapter. Okay. And then we start new after that. All right. Thank you then. Huh?
Yes, sir.